everyone, I'm Nicole and I'm an intern in the renewals team, and I want to share with you my experience here because it really was amazing, or even more than that, it was very amazing, as I met a lot of new people and I loved everything that was happening here because I had a lot to learn and I had so much fun because all the people I met were people that inspired me to be a better person and to want to learn more and to want to be a part of their team. So I just wanted to say that I'm really grateful to be here and I just can't wait to see what's coming next.
The Veeam internship meant a complete transformation. I can say that I evolved more than I could have imagined. I managed to overcome some boundaries that I have imposed on myself. I learned a lot and finally I discovered the field in which I want to work, namely sales. But the most important aspect is that I met some amazing, kind and ambitious people from whom I have had and will continue to have a lot to learn.